The unrelenting heat outside and no air conditioning inside Rush University Medical Center for parts of the day.
CBS News Chicago investigator Tara Molina, the first reporter there this morning. She tells us they've made repairs since, but the issue impacted the system and patients all day long.
They brought temporary cooling units in here this afternoon to cool parts of the building down, especially those higher levels where we're told it was extremely hot up there earlier today. Spokespeople for the hospital tell me the building has cooled down significantly heading into this evening.
I think I wanted to come back outside after sitting in the waiting room.
Hot outside and inside the hospital. Leslie Moore and Gwen Viverette felt it.
It'd be best to just reschedule, because it is kind of hot.
With no AC, Rush was forced to tell ambulances to bypass their emergency department until this afternoon. So nearby ambulances had to take people to other hospitals, also canceling surgeries throughout the day. According to hospital spokespeople, quote, steps are being taken to keep patients and staff safe as temperatures rise. A chilled water line in the hospital's main tower building went down, so they say the HVAC system and critical equipment didn't receive cooling. They made repairs and got the system back online, but we're told a building this big takes a long time to cool down.
No, it has not cooled off yet.
These mobile cooling units brought in for some relief, with Chicago feeling dangerous heat and humidity.
You know, they say if the heat don't kill you, the humidity will. Very humid.
Our heat index making it feel like it's well over 100 degrees.
She got her labs done. She got her appointment.
Many patients we talked to were glad to see their doctors and move on and out.
Yeah, the AC, you could feel that it changed, the weather changed a little bit, but it's nothing crazy.
The ER opened back up to ambulances around 3 o'clock this afternoon. I did get in touch with Chicago's emergency officials, that's fire officials. They didn't say anything about this having a major impact. But again, moral of the story, the hospital has cooled down significantly heading into the evening hours, and the ER is back in operation. Reporting outside Rush Hospital, I'm Tara Molina, CBS News Chicago investigators.